Hi guys! I'm going to build a TV bench for our TV, which is now on the floor. So I got Ikea Brimnes TV bench with 3 drawers. I got it from Furniture Source. If I remember right, it was 11,999 and it was on sale, I think. Okay, there are 2 boxes. It came with 2 boxes. And I'm gonna figure out how to build it. Boys, Smash and Bullet, are you going to help Mama build the bench?
Okay.
Let's start, guys. Ang nakakapagod lang sa pagbuo, yung you have to make sure na tama lahat ng kinakabit mo. Otherwise kasi, ulit ka, ayaw naman natin umulit, diba? Okay, like ito, yung mga holes niya, I have to make sure na yung holes niya swak sa holes ng ikakabit ko. Kasi otherwise, mali ang mangyayari sa binubuo ko and I will have to repeat all over again. Tapos yung each piece niya, medyo mabigat per piece ha. I don't know why I love doing this, pero mahilig talaga ako magbuo-buo. Siguro nakuha ko to sa lolo ko, kasi yung lolo ko before, mahilig mag-DIY. Yeah. Okay, let's go guys. You know, building furniture like this requires a lot of patience, but on my end, I super enjoy it. Nag-enjoy ako magbuting-ting, tapos gustong-gusto kong nakikita kung match ba yung mga kailangan ikabit. We're going to screw the rail on the panels. Pwede ka rin naman gumamit ng screwdriver, pero syempre mas mabilis kung meron kang drill. Etong drill na to, dati ko pa gusto magka-drill, tapos ayaw ni husband. Sabi niya, ikaw yung babae ko may drill, ako yung mahilig magbuting-ting. And then, one time I went to Wilcon, actually recently lang. Nakita ko tong Lotus na drill, naka-sale siya from 8,999, naka-50 off siya. So, I grabbed the sale right away. This is cordless, tapos may 2 batteries na siya dun sa pack. So, very sulit. Tapos, ang dami ko na, dahil may drill ako ng drill sa bahay. So, dinidrill ko yung mga picture frame. But of course, pag yung picture frame naman, light lang. Hindi ko na kailangan drill. Double side tape lang na 3M will do the magic already. So guys, this is not a DIY video ha. I mean, this is not a tutorial video. I'm just sharing how I do it at home. Like, I'm just bringing you along with me sa isang araw ni Play. This is why I like drilling kasi mabilis siya versus magsuscrew ka pa. And for those who know, may carpal tunnel ako. So, mahirap mag-ikot-ikot ng kamay. Mas madali sa life ang drill. I love the drill. It makes your life so easy. Oopsie. Yun. Tapos, sure ka pa na sobrang snug siya and tight. Hi guys! Tumawag na ako ng rescue. So, tinutulungan ako ni Madam Leia! Wait, I will show you kung ano nang itsura nung bench for now. Ayan, yan na yung bench natin ngayon. So, we already put locks and we put the rails. And, marami pang naiwan doon. Let's go! Okay, now it's time to put the table on top. Let's go! Tumatawag na naman, she said. Social sa Ikea, meron siyang nail holder. O, para... Kasi yung mga Ikea, puro particle boards. So, yung particle boards, hindi siya solid wood. Kaya minsan, pag pumako ka ng particle board, mabilis madurog yung particle board. But not with the Ikea. In fairness, matibay naman siya. Kaya lang, minsan, dahil particle board siya, tapos manipis yung pako, dumudulas yung pako. So, ang nangyayari, nabubutas yung wood sa ilalim. Ay, sorry, putol-putol yung video. Ang hirap pala mag-video na ganito. Kaya pala usually medyo boring yung mga DIY picture kasi one angle lang. Anyway, malapit na siyang mabuo. Look, nalagay ko na yung isang drawer. And now, ginagawa ko yung isang drawer pa. And then, Maldita is doing the other. I really followed the manual that came with the package. It's very helpful naman. And in fairness, malaki din yung improvement ni Ikea sa direction sa manual nila. So, it's going to be a lot of help. Ang pangit ng mirror ko, no, may mga karton. Sorry na. Natatakot kasi ako na mabasag ng mga bata. So, I'm waiting for the border para at least safe yung mirror sa bahay. Last one! So, sinushoot lang siya ganyan. Pak! And we're done. It's finally done! Yay! Ayan, both IKEA. I just need to find something to accent here para hindi naman parang plain corner lang siya.